This is my custom coded website, and every single day Claude does research on my niche, finds trending or relevant topics, write the articles, and then the article is posted directly over to my website without me lifting a finger. Let's show you how you can set up this workflow for yourself. So first, we're going to want to use Claude Code for this setup. The reason why we're using Claude Code is because now we're implementing and using the WordRocket API. Because our website is custom coded, we obviously cannot use our WordPress integration that we have with WordRocket. So in order to get this to work, there's a couple of different steps in which you need to do. The first step is that you need to connect your custom sites publishing API to Claude. So before talking to Claude, make sure that you have a publish endpoint, a secret API key, a bearer token, and so on and so forth. Now, you don't need to know or to be technical to know exactly how to do this. All you need to do is follow this prompt and put it into Claude. If you want to get the full prompt and SOP, comment Claude below and I'll send it over to you. This prompt will essentially connect Claude over to your API. Within the prompt, you need to enter in your API key. So head over to app.wordrocket.ai. You need to ensure that you're on a lifetime agency plan or higher or a premium monthly plan. And then under API keys, you can generate a new API key, copy over that API key, and you're going to put that into Claude so that it can connect to WordRocket from the API. The beauty about this workflow is that we can actually create a routine. So a routine is a templatized routine that can be kicked off on schedule by API or by a webhook. So as you can see here, we've went ahead and created this full routine. Step one is going to pick today's topic. Based upon the instructions that I gave it, it's going to research the topic, it's going to generate the topic using the WordRocket MCP, and then it's going to get the AI generated image, construct the API payload. So essentially it's going to construct the payload with the article and then send it over to your blog API and then come back and tell you that everything is done. And we can set this up to be done every single day at 8 a.m. So as you can see, we've already done 2 different runs. So if you go ahead and take a look at these 2 runs, we can open up these links and we can see that right onto WordRocket, our articles have been posted. They have title tags, they have they're nicely formatted, they have TLDR, beautiful images included here. And we can see the article has been posted directly over to WordRocket with our tags, our H1s or images, our TLDR, our key takeaways, and the information just looks really, really good. That was the first article in which we generated. We made some tweaks to the prompt, and now as you can see, this article is much longer. That first article was 5 minutes. This article is 11-minute read, so much more in depth and more like a long tail article that we would get back from WordRocket. So we can see here, everything here is really in depth, really long, and as you can see, it's on up-to-date content. This is about Claude Opus 4.7, which was just launched a couple of days ago. So you can set it up to do live web research on topics that are trending, on news articles, on new releases, on anything that you can think of. And you can even do this for evergreen content as well. And I really like this because, again, we're interacting with Claude. So Claude will do its best to find the best possible topic, get better information, and send that over to WordRocket. So if I actually go ahead and take a look at my content in WordRocket, we can see that these were the 2 articles that were sent over by the API. So it was sent over and it was generated directly into WordRocket. This literally took me hours to set up, but I've got the process down right. And if you want to get the full access to the prompt and the SOP, just comment Claude below and I'll send it over. And again, of course, if you'd like to use WordRocket for yourselves, head over to app.wordrocket.ai. If you want to see exactly how to set up your MCP onto Claude so we can connect to Claude so we can write the content on WordRocket, I'll link some other tutorials in which I've already. Hope that you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.